I study psychology, and well-being and mental health has been one of the most important topics for myself, and over the last year I've seen that a lot of students are struggling, so along with the student well-being team we thought it was really time that we offer opportunities for students to come together and actually take care of their mental health and well-being through a range of workshops.
I came with no expectations, to be honest. Not really. I just wanted to just see what it is about.
I'm really interested in all the stuff like exercising and mindfulness and meditating. So then I saw the dance thing, and I really wanted to do that because I really like how you can say things while your body moves instead of just with words.
Like I saw there was mainly about improvisation and just like tuning into your body, so I guess like there's a lot of room for surprises, so just want to have fun and chill and get together with people that I don't know, so yeah.
What do you usually do for boost up your well-being during the difficult corona year?
I try to take time for myself, so like off studying, off screens and all of that. I just try to be aware of the stuff that I consume, so whether that be content-wise, like on social media or Netflix or whatever, or just the food I eat. I try to really be mindful of all the things that I consume.
I think meditate a lot, do a lot of yoga, and also spend a lot of time with friends and just in nature to ground myself.
Move around, go on walks outside, to not just stay in my room because that's so easy to do.
Now I'm like running a lot and bicycle and go to the gym. It feels so much better when you've worked out, and it makes a big difference for me.
So far it's really grounding and I'm really able to drop into my body, so it's really awesome. And also they're doing such a great job leading this class, even though there's not that many people, but I feel like it's really intimate and nice.
It's very nice to kind of reconnect with my body because I feel like I've kind of been locked in my room for a while, so this has really helped me to reconnect.
There's a clear mind and body connection. So much of research has told us that. And taking care of your body also means taking care of your mind. And maybe what some people don't realize or haven't thought of before is not just through basic physical activity, but for example, a movement class right now is a really good way to express those inner emotions that you might find more difficult. And at the end of the day, I just want them to walk out of this class hoping and feeling that they feel just more positive.